In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view company reviews on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. The first step to viewing reviews is, of course, to access the Indeed website. You can do this simply by opening your favorite web browser and typing in www.indeed.com. You should be greeted with their homepage, which is designed for job seekers and employers alike. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top of the page. You'll see a search bar right in the center. In this bar, you don't have to enter any job title or location just yet. Instead, what you want to do is focus on the navigation options just above the search bar. Click on the Company Reviews link. This will take you directly to the section where you can explore the different companies and their reviews. If you don't see that option right away, don't worry. You can use the search bar effectively, too. Type the name of the company you're interested in and press Enter. This will lead you to a page that not only lists job openings, but also gives you the option to view company reviews right beside the job listings. It's a great way to assess how others perceive the work environment. After you enter the company name, click on the company from the search results. You should be directed to a company-specific page. Here, you'll see a summary of the company, including ratings for compensation, work-life balance, and overall employee satisfaction. This snapshot can give you a quick idea of what the workplace is like. Now let's find the actual reviews. Scroll down the page a bit, and you will start to see sections dedicated to employee reviews. These reviews are essential because they provide real insights into the daily experiences of current and former employees. You might notice that reviews are categorized, usually by the date they were written. So you can see the most recent experiences first, or go back in time to read older reviews. As you read through these reviews, pay attention to both the positive and negative comments. This balanced perspective will help you form a more rounded view of the company and its culture. While some reviews may focus on specific aspects, like managerial styles or team dynamics, others might talk about benefits or career progression opportunities. Don't hesitate to take your time reading through these insights. You might want to jot down any recurrent themes you notice. Those may give you hints about common experiences at the company. If you want to dive even deeper, Indeed allows you to filter or sort reviews based on specific factors, like salary, location, or job title. This can be incredibly useful if you're looking to understand how the company operates in a particular department or office. Finally, remember that while reviews can give you valuable information, it's always a good idea to approach them critically. Not every review will be representative of the company as a whole, and people's experiences can vary widely. And there you have it. Now you know how to navigate Indeed and view company reviews. Make sure to check out different companies to gather as much information as possible. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video for more